Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about a comeback that honestly has been decades in the making. If you're a fan of classic truck history, you know the name Cameo holds a special place in the Chevy pantheon. Back in the mid-50s, the original Cameo carrier was the truck that proved a pickup could be more than just a farm tool, it could be stylish, luxurious, and a total head-turner. Well, for 2027, Chevrolet is officially reviving that spirit with the all-new 2027 Chevy Cameo. Now, let's talk about the look first, because that's where the Cameo really makes its mark. While the standard Silverado is all about that rugged, squared-off aggression, the 2027 Cameo takes a different path. It leans into those lifestyle vibes with a much sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette. We're seeing a beautiful blend of modern tech and retro inspiration. Think smooth, slab-sided body panels that echo the original fiberglass bed of the 50s. But with sharp LED lighting signatures that look like they've been pulled straight from the Silverado EV. It's sophisticated, it's clean, and it definitely stands out in a crowded parking lot of work trucks. Under the hood, things get even more interesting. Chevy is striking a perfect balance between heritage and the future. The big news is the return of a 5.7-liter V8, which is a huge nod to the legendary 350 small block, but it's been completely modernized as part of GM's sixth-generation engine family. It's smoother and more efficient than the V8s it's replacing, delivering around 400 horsepower. But for those of you looking for that electric edge without going full EV, there is a brand new hybrid powertrain. This isn't just about saving gas at the pump, it's designed to provide instant torque for towing and city driving, giving you that effortless pull that truck owners love. Even though the Cameo is the fancy sibling in the lineup, don't think for a second that it can't handle the dirt. Chevy is packing this with some serious off-road tech, likely borrowing the Multimatic spool valve dampers we've seen on the ZR2. It's got a slightly lifted stance and specialized terrain modes, making it the perfect companion for a weekend getaway that starts on the highway and ends at a remote trailhead. When you step inside, the interior is where you really feel the Cameo luxury. We're talking about a massive 13 to 15-inch touchscreen that dominates the dash, paired with a fully digital gauge cluster. The materials are a massive step up, too, lots of soft-touch surfaces and unique color palettes that you won't find on the standard trims. It feels more like a high-end SUV than a pickup, which is exactly what the original Cameo was trying to achieve 70 years ago. So, how does it compare to those past models? Well, the original was a bit of a niche, gentleman's truck, but the 2027 version feels like the ultimate daily driver for someone who needs the utility of a bed but wants the comfort of a luxury car. In terms of pricing, we expect the Cameo to sit right in that premium sweet spot, likely starting in the high 50s and stretching up into the 70s for a fully loaded high country-style Cameo trim. It's an exciting time to be a truck fan. Chevy is finally giving us a vehicle that respects its roots while pushing the boundaries of what a modern hybrid truck can be. What do you think? Is the 2027 Cameo the right kind of comeback? Let me know in the comments.